Hi there, this is Bridget from the PlannerSpeechie. Welcome to the channel. Before I do today's plan with me, I just wanted to share this really cute sticker haul from Jessica Hearts that I just got yesterday. So just go ahead and share this with you. It comes in this beautiful vellum, which if I was a person who knew how to use vellum, I would do something with it. But yeah. So it comes with a journaling postcard. It's pretty. All right, so I have several kits here that I want to show you. The first kit is called 90s Fall Day Mini. And looks like this is the freebie. I ordered this at the very end of August. I think this was the Labor Day sale. So and then this is actually for a completely different kit, but I'm going to use this for my Crafty Banana Sanderson Sisters kit, because that kit did not come with washi, so I figured and it's also missing overlays. So I'm going to use this and the overlays to sort of compensate for the other ones that I'm missing. So it has the song that Sarah sings at the beginning as the quote, and then it says, it's got the, oh my gosh, I always forget the original author's name. It's not an author, it's the singer. Oh, it's gonna bug me. Okay. And I just thought that was really cute. Sanderson Sisters, Home of the Black Flame Candle, and then this week, next week. So this will be fun. This is the mini kit. So I just thought this was really pretty, and this is actually the art that she's using for the November monthly. So this art reappears. This is very, she just released the Hocus Pocus 93, which goes with this overlay. This reminds me of the school in the scene. But I just thought this was really pretty and matched my favorite aesthetic. So this is the matte, and this is kind of the newer format. So it comes with, and it's funny because that's the same art. And then checklists, headers, in here. Oh, I really hope my phone picks this up. My new cats, 2 of them, 2 out of 3, are up here. Simone and Eloise. And Mama is bathing the baby, and they are so cute and purring together. Okay, I might have to stop this plan with me just to get a picture. Babies, what are you doing? Are you bathing? Eloise. Hi, pretty. Oh, gonna come sit on the couch with me? Hi. Oh, you want to join? Okay. Come on in. You're such a good helper. See how messy this area actually is. Oh. Hello. Simone Baloney. Yes. You're so pretty. All right, back to the plan with me. I really hope the purring just continues in the background. That's really cute. Okay, so as you can see, one of the things that's interesting, and I'm not sure how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay. But this is the mini, and it's a really cute little kit. and I like it. All right, so that's 90s Fall Day. This is the second kit I ordered. This is called the Ghost Town Mini. I just thought this art was really precious. Let's go ahead and open this one. Okay. So I have not seen any of this yet. Okay, so this is glossy. I don't know if I accidentally clicked matte or accidentally clicked, I don't know how I did this, but this is sort of cartoon, more cartoon style, and I'm here for it because I love the little ghosts. So we've got these really pretty, oh, it does look like there are 6. Okay, that's really good. So I can use more of those. And I like how the to-do headers are kind of scattered throughout, so that's cute. These are so cute. Look at these little ghosts. Oh, I love them. And then there's this beautiful tree art, a couple of little functionals. This is really cute, so I'm definitely going to be using this one in October. Speaking of October, I decided to get the Essentials kit for this. I just thought this was really cool looking, and it was a sale, so ghosts are hiding in the walls, creeping out when midnight calls. Oh, so good. So this, and I never do plan with me's for the monthlies just because I just sort of add to them as I go. But this I also got in the matte. So this is the Essentials kit, which she just released the November one, and there was no Essentials kit. You could either buy the full kit with that looks like this, but with more pages, or the no foil with nothing, so it doesn't have any writing on it, with no page, with full pages, or the foil. Those were the only 3 options. She didn't have anything in this price range, so I don't know if she's eliminating that. But anyway, so this looks really cool. Definitely fun and spooky for October. So those are the 3 things that I got from this order. And I am really, really excited to use these come October. Actually, this one I think I'm using in the last week of September. So anyway, thanks for watching this part, and I hope to see you again soon for my next Plan With Me.